don't worry if you do, 'cause I got broken down inside me, and I might just need some help, but I will get back. Hey, hey. And I got demons in my history, I got bone beneath my skin, but I've been taken by a mystery. Yes, I've been taken in. And sometimes voices down inside me try to fight me for myself,